Hi again, first grade. So we are moving on to our last day of math work. And I included some word problems because I want us to start to feel really comfortable with answering a word problem or a story problem, especially ones without pictures, because this is a skill that you're going to see a lot in second grade and in third grade when you get up to Miss Valdivia's class. So we're going to do the same thing we always do. We're going to find and circle the important information. Olivia sees 6 blue cars. Jake sees 4 red cars. How many cars do they see in all? Remember, in all tells us that we're going to be adding. And this should be a super quick math fact for us, I'm hoping, because we did a lot of work with friends of 10. We know 6 plus 4 equals 10. So how many cars do they see in all? 10 cars. Number 2, Mom buys 8 hot dogs. My family ate 5 hot dogs. How many hot dogs are left? So I know 8 and 5 are important. This word left tells me something very important that I'm going to be subtracting, right? If I have 8 hot dogs and I eat 5, they're gone. They went away. They've separated from our whole, right? So we're subtracting 8 minus 5, and we have to figure out how many hot dogs are left. So we can count backward from 8 until we have our number left. So we'll take 5 away from 8. We can draw a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And cross off how many we've eaten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can figure out how many we have left. Or some of you are getting so good with your math fluency that you know 8 minus 5 is 3. So again, whatever works for your brain, pictures, counting backwards, or math, knowing your math facts. I want you to do what works best for you. So we have 3 hot dogs left. Number 3, Eli made 9 snowballs. He threw 7 of them. How many snowballs does Eli have left? So again, left tells us we're doing subtraction. So again, we can count backward. We can draw a picture. Or if we're really good with our math facts, we can answer it mentally in our head. So I have 9 minus 7. We have 2 left. So Eli has 2 snowballs left. Number 4, Sophie, shout out to Sophie, made 3 drawings. Molly made 2. How many did they make all together? All together is an addition word, so we're adding 3 and 2. I'm hoping first grade that this is very fast for you, and this is a fact we have memorized. 3 plus 2 is 5, so they have 5 drawings all together. If you need a little bit more time on this page, I want you to pause. We're going to move on to the last page. All right, so Ms. Ackerman just realized that both of these have a number 1. So our first page was the car page. I should have told you guys that first, I'm sorry. We're going to move on to the second page, which is the pizza page. So I want you to find your pizza page. So number 1 on the pizza page, Mike ordered a 12-piece pizza pie. So there's 12 pieces in that pizza. James ate 4 of those pieces. How many pieces of pizza are left? Left tells me I'm subtracting. So 12 minus 4. Again, I want you to do what works for your brain. Count backward, draw a picture, or rely on your math facts. 12 minus 4 is 8. So there are 8 pieces of pizza left. Number 2, Grace sold 8 cookies at the bake sale. Clara sold 9 cupcakes at the bake sale. How many desserts did they sell in all? In all tells us that we're adding. Okay, so we have 8 plus 9. So I want you to think about that strategy to make it 10. So we're going to borrow 1 from 8 and make this 10 plus 7 because it's an easier math fact. So we're going to give 1 to 9 to turn it into 10, and we have 10 plus 7. It's It's much easier for our brains to think 10 plus 7 equals 17. So we have 17 desserts. Crew, if this doesn't make sense to you, or if this is confusing for you to think about giving 1 to 9 to make 10, we can talk more about that individually, or if you have a strategy that works better for you, if you just have your 9's facts memorized, don't worry about making a 10 fact out of something. If this is confusing and you already have a strategy that works best for your brain, that's what I want you to continue using. I don't want you to start overthinking the strategies and making it complicated for yourselves if you have something that works for you. All right, number 3. Matt had 18 colored pencils. He lost 7 of them. How many colored pencils does Matt have left? So we know that we're subtracting 18 minus 7. Think about all the strategies we've talked about. Draw a picture, use math facts that you know, count backward. 18 minus 7 is 11. So he had 11 colored pencils. All right, last math problem before spring break. Number 4, Anna, shout out to Anna, bought 6 stamps to put in her collection. Over the next year, she bought 10 more. All together, how many stamps did Anna buy? All together and more are addition words. 6 plus 10 is 16. We know that Anna has 16 stamps because we're really good with our 10's facts. All right, first grade, that's it for math for now. If at any point something again is confusing, have your parents or your family reach out to me and we can talk together on how to get it worked out for you. If you're all done with math, go check out literacy. If you're all done with everything, have a great spring break. I want you guys to stay safe and healthy, and we'll talk soon.